Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payouts on Skool. So first, you may want to head over to skool.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, head over to your community, then click on the settings button. Then next in the left panel, you should see the payouts option. So just click on it. Payouts is basically where you can have an access to all your earnings from your paid community. Now to set it up, just head over and click on the settings or gear icon. Next is choose the country in which your bank account is in. Then once done, head over and press continue. Now from here, all you have to do is log in to your Stripe account. Then once done, all your earnings on Skool will automatically be transferred on your Stripe account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!